In this video, we're going to show you how to do some basic maintenance to your dryer vent. It's important to clean out your dryer vent in your home on occasion, probably at least once a year, if not sooner, just to get all the lint buildup out of your dryer vent. And what this does is not only will it make your dryer more efficient in helping you dry your clothes faster with less energy, but also help make sure that your dryer vent won't catch on fire. In some extreme cases, dryer lint can build up so bad that it can actually start a fire in your home, and it's really important that you be sure to prevent this. So in order to do that, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to use this rotary dryer vent cleaning system from LintEater, and we'll show you what's included in this package and then the basics of cleaning out your dryer vent. Included in this kit are 4 36-inch rods that can form up to a 12-foot section that will attach to your drill and can clean out your dryer vent. Also, it includes a number of attachments such as this 4-inch auger brush. It also includes a 2.5-inch lint brush, a blockage removal tool that it says you can use to clean out gutter downspouts, a vacuum adapter that you can use to connect either a shop vac or a blower to, so that way you can remove the lint as you're brushing, as well as a dryer adapter that you can use if you don't have a shop vac or blower. This can be used if you're using the dryer air itself to clean out the lint and you want to make sure the auger, the brush, doesn't go into your dryer. So we went ahead and went with the deluxe kit because while we might not need everything in this kit right now, we might need it in the future. So we felt it was worth a couple extra bucks to get everything so that we had a complete kit. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use this and we'll start cleaning out the lint. I'm going to install the set screw on the auger brush so it doesn't come loose. When you're attaching additional rods here, make sure you get these tight. The instructions say to use some pliers to tighten it up. And you can also use electrical tape as some insurance to prevent it from coming apart in the duct. To attach to your drill, you just put this metal collar inside your drill and tighten it down. You also want to make sure that this is on the lowest setting possible if you have a clutch-based drill, so that way it doesn't spin too fast while it's in your air vent. So if you have a dryer vent that has these louvers, then all you have to do is bend these in the middle. Careful not to break the ends.
Did you break it?
No. So you want to feed a section in one at a time. Don't hook up a bunch of sections at once first before you start feeding it in, because it's just going to be really unruly if you do it that way. So one section at a time, hook it up to your drill. Always go clockwise. Never want to go counterclockwise because then the attachments and the rods can disconnect inside of your vent. So as long as you do that, you should be okay. So we'll start out here really slowly. I'm just going to stick this in and then start brushing. And you can see how much lint is coming out already. We don't even have the blower on inside, and we've just started this. So it's good to go ahead and put on some protective eyewear and also probably either a mask or a respirator to make sure you're not breathing all this dust in. All right, we're good if you are.
Did you say something?
I said okay.
You look interesting.
Is that poop?
No.
That is not poop. What?
See how easy that was? So it got most of the lint out, but you can still see there's some in here. I don't think you're never going to be able to get everything out. The other thing you want to keep in mind here too is this is rigid pipe, which is recommended for this cleaning brush. They said you can still use this on vinyl pipe or on foam, or not vinyl, but vinyl pipe or aluminum foil pipe. But they said ideally it needs to be rigid pipe, and then even to the extent of, they said if you can replace the vinyl or the aluminum foil pipe with some rigid pipe, to go ahead and do that. So that's something to keep in mind. Just as kind of finishing up this up here, we're going to get the rest of this lint kind of brushed off with this other lint brush that was included, and then we'll get the louvers back on, and this should be done. And we just pop these in, same way that we did when we removed them. Okay, and that about wraps up this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to The Top Homeowner. Also, if you'd like to purchase one of these kits, we'll have a link in the description below where you can go and do that at the best price. All right, thanks again for watching. And remember, at Top Homeowner, our goal is to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next one.